Hi YouTube, this is Dot. This is my second video actually. If I can ever get my first one loaded, I will show it to you. This is a mini album that I made for my babysitter who's like my godmother, and she kept all three of my children. Now all three of them are too big, and I'm sure she thinks we've forgotten all about her, but I made her this album for Christmas. And it is late, but I didn't get a chance to finish it till now. But I'm sure she'll understand. I bought this little ornament mini from Michaels, and I embellished it with a flower that I have because I do florals, um, and just put 2011 on the tag. Open. It's just some paper and a tag I found in a stack of paper that I bought. So I antiqued the edges and cut this strip and put it here so I could tuck that there. And on this page, I love the dollar store, and they have these wonderful ornaments. So I put this ornament on here, and yet again another tag that sticks right in there. Now, flip this page. I cut out Santa and some girls. I don't have Copics and all that other stuff. I said this in my first video, but of course you didn't hear it. And a little Santa tag goes behind there. And I kind of like this page. Their tag, and she can journal on this tag because it has journaling block because I don't have any of that stuff. And also stuck a tag in a tag. So I think that's pretty cool. Like that. And I could just go back in there. Well, purpose of the video, I'll just move it for now. Then on this page, I cut out these leaves from some leaves that I had to make them look Christmassy, holly-like. And there's a little flower with a bread. And then I figured she could put a picture here, and she can journal some information about her picture on this tag. And if we go over here, I cut out the Christmas tree, put a little bow on the top. Yet again, another tag. Oh, I'm excited about the tags because I usually end up making them all myself. But because I can cut them out, it was really fun. And that sticks right in there. Then, if we flip the page over, I love when I can cut out this detail. And I have to do it all by hand. I know there are machines for this, but I have neither money nor do I know what to buy yet. So this is only my second time doing it. And another tag. I love the tags that come in the paper. You can cut them out and shape them. And this on this last page. This is actually the paper, and it had a design here, and I cut it out and used it for a card, but then it left this scalloped like pocket, so kind of cut this rope around and attached it. Then I glued some beads on there, and I stuck another tag in. Just added that. There you go. And then on the back, I made an envelope, and I'm going to just put a little note in there thanking her for all the years that she watched my children. And, you know, I knew they were safe with her. Tell them we still love her. We haven't forgot her. So this is my Christmas mini for my godmother / wonderful babysitter. Thank you for watching. Please comment. I love suggestions because I'm very new. Thank you. Bye.